Look at that. We doing an American classic, y'all. Chocolate chip cookies. We cook sweets too now, y'all. 1 cup of sugar. So made probably about 3 batches. So it's a nice amount of cookies. My grandkids love these. Cup of regular sugar. Cup of brown sugar. That whole 1 cup of butter. Let it come up to room temperature. Nice and soft. You ain't gotta fight with it at all. Throw the old paddle attachment on there from the KitchenAid. Bam. Like that. Throw some more vanilla extract up in there. I'm eyeballing it. Let them see how that look, baby. Throw 2 eggs up in here. And commence to some more mixing. Alright, let's put our flour in here. We're gonna probably do about 2.5 cups. Go ahead and stop there. Alright. Cup 2, 2.5. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And about 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Mix on, baby. And y'all, I just want to do one more thing. I've been doing this in desserts here lately. It's been a game changer. We just doing a little tad, like a quarter teaspoon. I got 2 cups of chocolate chips. I got little walnuts up in here. I think I'm gonna throw some heath bits up in here. Just a little. That's it.
What are you, Houdini of mixing?
Look at that, boy. That almost look like some ice cream or something.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that look good.
Yeah, I like the way this looking. Remind you of Toll House, but better.
Leave some on there.
It is something on there, right? Yeah. I think something on there. Okay, well, you're trying to get some from the bowl there. Yeah, look at that dough. Now it's time to make some cookies. So we're gonna make some cookies. What you think, baby? Make like regular size cookies, or should I make a giant cookie?
Regular size. That's a good size right there.
Okay. Make a couple of them.
Couple of them.
You want one?
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna put this in the oven, 375, about 11, 12 minutes. We're gonna see what they do. See how they looking. Dig in. Look at that color. Fresh out the oven. All right, we gotta let it cool down. We're gonna let you taste it. Make me a drink. Froth my own milk. I'm my own barista. Get it nice and frothy. Nice and smooth. Oh yeah. Let's dress it up a little bit. Now y'all ain't watched the video to see if I can make coffee. We came for these cookies. Look at that. Crunchy, chewy, soft, and inside. Woo!
And milk mustache.
Yes. Y'all see how we did those cookies straight from the get-go. Came out fantastic. Real easy to do. Probably the simplest dessert you can do. And we spend the most money on these when we go to a store, restaurants, and cookie specialty shops. Get on out there and do it yourself. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Catch y'all on the next one. We gonna cook something else good. We gonna keep on surprising y'all. Later. See y'all, we just take that cookie dough, wrap it up. We gonna put them in the freezer. And whenever we want a cookie, just grab it out the big bag. Take your individual, throw it in the oven, 375. You can even put it in there frozen. But since it's frozen, you probably have to go about, I'll say maybe 14 minutes.